Fly babies, it's me, your FlyLady Kat, and I'm here today to give you peace in your life, control in your home, and to learn how to finally love yourself. Today is Family Fun Day, and so we have a 2-layer cake. Unless you're a payroll fly baby and you haven't done your zone or your weekly home blessing or some of the other basic weekly plan items, then you will have 3 zones. The basic weekly plans will be doubled or tripled, and you'll have a zone today, a 1-hour zone possibly. So I hope you didn't choose that for yourself. Let's see what's going on. Let's start with payroll. So we're going to wake up this morning early because we have a lot to do. We're going to get it done and enjoy our day. We're not going to work really hard. It's not the 6 hours that we used to put in or the total ignoring and total guilt that we went through, one or the other. All right, so here's what we're going to do. Get up, do your morning routine. That includes your bed, your bathroom, and your kitchen, and yourself, and your breakfast. Then take care of your children with their morning routine. Get them up. Now we're going to go straight to the weekly home blessing hour. If you haven't finished that, finish it or do it. The most that will take is 1 hour. Delegate, split it up, divide and conquer, whatever it takes. The third thing is your zone. If you haven't worked in your master bedroom, you have 4 things to do in there today. If you're deep cleaning, if you have to declutter, you're going to have about an hour's worth of decluttering in your room today. Still not an impossible task. You do need to complete what you start though. So when you've gotten your hour behind you, you're going to go ahead and complete the process by throwing away the trash, putting the giveaway in the back of the car, and then putting all the stuff away that you found in there that doesn't belong in there, okay? All right, now what other things have you ignored this week, payroll fly babies? Have you forgotten to do your groceries? Well, you're going to grocery shop today. Did you pay your bills? Then you're going to have to do that today. Balance your checkbook. Did you plan your menu? You didn't even do that? Let's go do that. I'm not fussing at you. I'm just saying these choices are so easy to do during the week if you do it when I tell you to do it instead of waiting. I realize that some of you have rough weeks at work and that some of you have the kind of job where you don't get a break. However, you generally have, if you work those kinds of shifts, extra days to get things done because you work a 4-day week and you work a lot of hours. Or you're a teacher, you don't have breaks, but you get home early. So please take advantage of those little pockets of time to get these things done during the week so that if you do have a Saturday and Sunday with your family, you can have a family fun day without knowing that you have to do this. It puts a little pressure on you. And I don't want that for you, I really don't. And even if you choose to do it this way, it doesn't have to be pressure. Just know that you're going to divide and conquer and have the family help. That sometimes is easier said than done. Okay. After you've gotten your work done, then we're going to have Family Fun Day. So let me pull in the payroll, the at-home fly babies. Now, at-home fly babies, you've had 5 days to get all your stuff done, including a free day for yourself. If you have chosen not to do that, then you as well are going to have to do what our payroll fly babies are having to do who chose not to do it. So the consequence is that you do it today. Get it done early and then vow to yourself to get it done during your regular work hours because you're an at-home fly baby. This is your work. You're going to get that done in the mornings and get it over with. If you're a payroll fly baby, you still have work at home and that happens right after work. Don't pause, don't take a breath, get it done. And then you can pause and take a breath and you'll be so pleased with yourself when you realize how simple it really is. I know that you fight me on that and you say it's not simple, it's not fast, it's hard. It's not hard. It's not a long, long thing. That fib that we tell ourselves is that, oh, it's going to take so long. I heard somebody this past week say we always overestimate how long it takes us to do things like cleaning, and we always underestimate how long it takes to do a project. So that's true. All right, so that's it. We're going to have our Family Fun Day now. Enjoy your family. This is the reason you have a family, is to love them and be with them and enjoy them. They are much more important than your home, but you want to raise them in a clean environment, which is why you have to do these things. Don't do that thing where you perfection clean. The kids are more important than perfection, okay? All right, that's it for today. Afterwards, you're going to do your after dinner routine Everyone is going to enjoy dinner, so everyone is going to help clean up after dinner. If they're 3 years old or older, they can walk and carry a plate. They can put their dish in the dishwasher. Next thing we're going to do is our before bed routine with the kids, and then a before bed routine for you. Your before bed routine, as you know, we're focusing on that this summer, is to look at your planner. Look at your to-do list. Do you have to put some more things in your planner? Look at the long view for the next 7 days. What's happening in there? What's happening tomorrow? Are you going to church? You need to plan for that. Do you need to get the kids' clothes ready? To let them know what they're going to wear? Now, hopefully you've got their clothes ready because you did your laundry, even if you had to do some this morning. All right. So look at that. Dress appropriately for tomorrow, so get your clothes out, and then you're going to take your bath or shower. If you do that at night, you're going to take off your face, you're going to take off your jewelry, you're going to moisturize your skin, you're going to put on your clean pajamas, you're going to put your clothes away or put them in the dirty clothes, and then you're going to go look in your bathroom and make sure you hung your towels up and the bathroom looks nice. Now we're going to go into the kitchen. We're going to make sure that the dishwasher has soap in it, that we've wiped out our sink, that all the last minute things are in the dishwasher, or you've washed them up and put them in the dish rack if you have no dishwasher. And you've wiped out the sink, you put out a fresh tea towel or fresh dish towel, take the old towel to the laundry to dry so that you can wash it tomorrow, or wash it not tomorrow, you're not going to wash clothes on Sunday, but wash it the next time you do towels. And you're going to turn off close the windows or the curtains or the blinds, turn on your dishwasher, turn off the light, go get in your bed, snuggle in, and be ready for 7 to 8 hours of good sleep. And then you'll be able to get up in the morning. All right, that's it for today. Have a wonderful Saturday, and always remember that you are beautiful.